Three, two, one. Hey guys, we're live. Today I'm your host Isaac. I have a quick video 2026 Hall of Memories quick guide, fast divination, runescape 3. So thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna dive right in. So oops, I think I'm already in. So we're gonna go to a World 1. I'm already located at the Hall of Memories. And the last time we went to World 100. So guys, this is the Hall of Memories. This is what it looks like. You have the archivist at the south or entrance of the Hall of Memories, and sometimes the archivist would tell you that K-frags drop on the need to be contained. So they look like white orbs floating around, and then east of the Hall of Memories is where you get your jar depot, and it's good to collect about 8 of them at a time, so that you can leave some inventory space for other things that pop up in your inventory. So we're just gonna grab a few. Okay, we're gonna start off with one of these nodes here, Brilliant Memories. I recommend you guys start off with the level memory that is closest to your level. But other than that, a good one is Lustrous, because Lustrous is the easiest beginner tier memories. And then second after Lustrous is Brilliant. And then after Brilliant is Radiant, after Radiant is Luminous, and then after Luminous is Incandescent. So that's pretty much what I want to share with you guys. You guys collect memory storage bots from the archivist, and they're basically like tasks that you have to do in the Hall of Memories. So sometimes you have to fill up 250 of either one of the nodes or the colors. So and just to let you know, when you're harvesting faded memories, it's pretty low XP. But one of the reward perks from doing a memory storage bot with the archivist is that it will double or boost your faded memories. So like me, I have a boosted faded memory, so it's not bad. But I can imagine what it was like before I did the memory bot storage. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna try to there should be like something happening soon, like an event at the Memory Hall of Memories. It's gonna start soon. I'm not sure when, but it's supposed to start soon. So for now, I'm just gonna look for incandescent. Look for some incandescent. Okay, radiant is not bad. I'll use radiant for now. And you can see I have 78% and 80% of the jar filled. You gotta fill the jar to 100% before you can throw it into the unstable rift, okay? And Lustrous, which is the beginner level, gives 17 XP with 1 bonus XP. Okay, and so we're almost done the first jar, and then I'm gonna end this tutorial. Bye. Alright. So you get 3,000 XP once you throw the jar depot into the unstable rift. And I just threw 2 of them in there. I got about 6,000 XP. But if you need the FT core hunting and you follow their masses or some of their raids, their party raids or group raids, then you could for sure like fold the jars in your whole inventory, and you would come to the center here. You would come to the center where this will pop of either Juna, Press, which is the best one. Aggie is the lowest one, and Crest is the highest one, and in between is like Juna and the sword and one more, but can't remember which one it is. But oh yeah, Saren. So Saren. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, guys.